Hello, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic that is patent and its regulatory issues. You have heard many times about patent. What actually the patent is? In this lecture, you will come to know about the details of patent. Patent is a legal right given to a person who has done invention for the benefit of human beings. This invention can be a design or a formula which is related in terms of pharmaceutical industries. This patent is given in that condition, the person will share its formula or its product. This patent is for a limited period of time. After that, it is disclosed with the public, and other people can make use of his formula and take the benefit. To know more details about the patent, let's move towards the slides.
Dear students, patent can be conferred on allopathic and herbal drugs with the consent of patent authorities. Patent is associated with intellectual property rights. It is also called as IPR. Intellectual property rights are the rights by which a person can have rights on its property gained by its own intellects. And these intellects are produced by its new innovation. Intellectual property rights include patents, copyrights, industrial designs, trademarks, and plant variety rights. Patents, these are the rights which involve new formulation or new drug design. And in case of plant variety rights, a breeder produces new variety of the plants which have a good yield, and it is produced by hybrid technology. Moreover, industrial drug designs or industrial design rights involves new design of the machinery which can be patented. Now, one by one, we are going to study about the rights. The first one is patent. Patent, it is a property right which is given by the government. In this case, the government gives right. In exchange of that, a person or a patentee shares its information with the authority. Then the authority shares his invention with the public. The invention must be benefit for the public, and a patentee can do license, mortgage, assign, and he can sold his property. The patent is the same way, or a right you can say, a person is having on his own house. So these all rights a patentee have. A patent is for a short period of time. After that, the patent is disclosed and it can be used and marketed by all of the public. The next is plant breeder's right. Plant breeder's right is also known as plant variety right. This is the right in which a breeder produces a new variety of a plant by hybridization or genetic manipulation. In this right, a breeder has some of the exclusive control on that. Like he is having a control on propagating material like seeds, cuttings, and on the harvesting materials like fruit and flowers. This right can be for a number of years, and in this right, a person or a breeder can make his own variety or he can license his variety to anyone else. This right helps a person or a country for producing a good yield of the plants. This right must qualify some of the condition. After that, a person gets a patent on this variety. A variety should not be commercialized for more than 1 year in the country. If it has commercialized, then it will be a general variety. Moreover, the variety produced by a breeder must have a good height, maturity, and color. The characteristics of the plant must remain uniform throughout its growth. And the plant produced by the breeder on which he takes a plant variety right or a plant breeder right must be genetically fixed. It should not change with the time or with the generation. So, after a period of time, he can disclose his variety and can tell the technique of producing this hybrid to the public. So, all these rights are for the public well being. So, dear student, that was all about patent, intellectual property rights, and plant breeders' right. In the next lecture, we are going to study about bioprospecting and biopiracy. So, stay tuned for more interesting lectures. Thank you, everyone.